Hello, my dear friends. Hope you are doing well. Today, we are diving into something warm, rustic, and absolutely magical jute Christmas decoration. If you love decorating your home with nature handmade craft, this video is for you. We will create beautiful jute Christmas decoration for your tree, your walls, and your entire home, all using simple materials you probably already have. So, grab your jute rope, burlap rust fabric, hot glue gun, and sprinkle of Christmas spirit. And let's begin the cozy DIY journey together. Jute is such an amazing material. It's natural, eco-friendly, and gives that rustic farmhouse charm that perfectly fit for Christmas vibes. Unlike plastic ornaments, jute decoration bring warmth and softness into your home. You can use it wreath many trees, ornaments, bows, garlands, and even candle holder. It's affordable, durable, and blends beauty with wood, pine cones, and fairy lights. So let's start by making some simple and stunning jute Christmas tree ornaments. Start with small piece of cardboard and tray paper, cut out shapes, stars, bells, or hearts. Now wrap jute rope tightly around each shape, securely the end with glue. We can decorate these shapes with teeny pearls, buttons, lace, trims, or white paint for forestry winter effects. Hang them on your Christmas tree, and you will instantly feel that warm rustic charm fill your room. You can also make mini jute Christmas tree. Just wrap jute around a cone shape and add a star on top. These look beautiful on shelves, dining tables, or near the window with fairy lights. Now let's move to wall hanging. Take a wooden stick or an old hanger, tie jute string or different length, and hang mini ornaments, pine cones, stars, or burlap ribbons. You can even add a small Merry Christmas tag made from recycled cardboard or old gift boxes. Add floodlights for cozy golden glow. This make your walls feel alive and festive. Another easy idea, make a jewel wreath. Take a circular base made of cardboard or an old embroidered hoop. Wrap it with burlap or jute fabric. Decorate with red berries, green leaves, and pine cones, and hang it on your door. Simple, natural, and welcoming. Let's move on. Decorating your home corner. You can wrap glass jar, bottles with jute rope, and place candle inside for a soft Christmas glow. These make perfect table centerpiece or window decoration. Trying burlap bows on your chairs or wrapping gift boxes with jute and lace instead of shiny wrapper paper. These give a beauty sustainable look while reducing waste. You can also make jute basket or bows using glue and rope, perfect for storing pine cones, ornament of candies. Everything feels so natural and handmade. It's like bringing a little forest magic inside your home. Decorating with jute is not just about beauty, it's about mindfulness and creativity. When you create something with your own hands, it's connect to your season. True spirits love simplicity and joy. These jute decorations are reusable, budget friendly, and perfect for those who care about the earth. You can make them with your family, your kids, turning crafting time into a warm memory that, that lasts forever. And that is for today cozy Christmas DIY. If you enjoy these jute trees, wall and home decoration ideas, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, share the video with your friends and family. I already stated I really love your support and I need your support, so keep watching my channel, keep supporting. Thanks for watching my video till the end. You can also visit my channel. There is lots of amazing and beautiful ideas for you.